So, I have an announcement to make. We kinda reached 100 subscribers, so I'm hosting a contest. But first, I want to show you how I got 100 subscribers. It's really weird. It was this one short.
This is your Lego minifigure if you scroll. This is your Lego minifigure if you like. This is your Lego minifigure if you comment. And
Please don't ask how that happened. I don't know how. Here are the rules for the contest. You need to have 2 minifigures or more. Please make it over 15 seconds. This is how you will actually enter the contest. Arguably the most important part of the entire contest. So first, you need to subscribe. Make sure that your subscriptions are public and then post a video on your channel. And please make the animation real. Don't make it like Minecraft animations or Blender animations. Please make it real. Just please. Apparently all my subscriber specials end up being extremely short, but yeah, enter the contest if you have a channel. But bye.